Always a favorite here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, that's right, 454 big block power, and that is paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Now that transmission is actually numbers matching VIN derivative to the car itself. So that would be the original transmission for this car, and you Chevelle fans out there, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments below, but the only way I believe you could get a TH400 would be with a big block. Hence, if it's an original big block car, this is a true SS. Now, engine in it now is not confirmed numbers, so it does have a 454 big block, the original TH400 transmission, power steering, power brakes, and it also has the correct vintage date coded wheels for an SS also. So check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see that stamp in the side of the transmission. You're going to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check out all those still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at those wheels and the DF Goodrich radial TA tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see panels nice and straight. Original color, 75, cranberry red, black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Black vinyl top is in nice shape. You can see those lower rockers around the wheel well, also show well on this one. Take a look at the underside pics. Dual exhaust, front to rear. When we take a peek underneath the hood, you're going to see it does have headers on it, aluminum radiator, dual fans, HEI ignition. Technician also noted car has air shocks. Rear wheel cylinders are new. Brakes are like new, 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. Minor powertrain seats, the typical of a car that's driven. And this one, hey, get in it, turn the key and go, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. If you're a Chevelle fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see driver's side also shows well. Nice shine to the paint. May you find an imperfection here or there. Yeah, like I said, car's been driven. But overall, good looking car. It's going to turn some heads. Roll-ins, cruise-ins. So bucket seats also in nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear in the piping down on the bottom of that one. 6x9s in the rear deck. Headliner looks good. I think we should fire it up. Now, there's a little secret to this. Push the lighter like you're pushing it in. That is basically like a safety. When the ignition is on, push the lighter in, now it's going to fire. So it's kind of like a security switch, if you will, what have you. So, a little trick to that. Retro sound, AM, FM stereo, and that is working. We also have an aftermarket set of gauges underneath here. There's your oil pressure, temp gauge. That was a cold start, and this thing runs smooth. Voltmeter also working. And then come up here, we do have tack. That is also working, obviously, up at the top of the dash. Looks good. This car feels tight. I'm sure Jason's going to give you a good idea when he takes it out for a drive. But I bet you this thing drives out nicely. Call and listen to that. No crazy big cam in it, anything like that. This is just a nice running big block. Of course, the cowl induction hood. Hood pins. Let me pause this a second. Let's get the hood open so we can check out that big block. All right, there it is. Again, cowl induction hood, looking good. Mentioned aluminum radiator, you see through there. Dual electric fans. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. There's those headers I mentioned. HEI ignition. A nice, tidy, clean engine bay after the battery with a battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between dries. Nice setup underneath there. Definitely a smooth runner. All right, 1970 Chevelle 2-door hardtop, believed to be an SS. Like I said, you Chevelle experts out there with that Turbo Hydromatic 400, that is numbers matching. Let us know in the comments down below. Number to call, 507-386-1726. If you have any questions, call in, consult with a sales associate. Be happy to help you out. All those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Looking great in red and black. You see a couple raindrops on the windshield. Please don't mind that. It's just trying to tease us a little bit with some sprinkles, but that won't keep us from doing these driving videos for you. This is an automatic with a horseshoe shifter right here on the center console. Our turn signals are both working. Nice low stance to this car. And excellent sound to this car. The wipers are working. This car runs like a well-tuned machine. Brakes very effective. Cornering very nice. We are clock equipped here. I do not see it counting the seconds, but we're clock equipped. Speedometer is working, showing 56 miles an hour. We're taking it easy today. Tachometer working. The amps are a little over halfway on the gauge, which is great. Temperature has not come off of 100 yet. The fuel gauge is showing a little over half a tank. The blower motor works. We have a digital radio. A retro sound style radio, which are always nice. Now below the dash, better gauges from Auto Gauge. Oil pressure 75, water temperature 180, and volts at 14. Those are just low enough, they're out of sight, unless you take a peek down there. For the most part, stock appearing, looking like an SS on the inside. With bucket seats, very comfortable. Headliner looking good. Woo! Okay. When the road's wet, don't punch it that hard. I just wanted to see that pop up. This is a very fun car to drive. I wish the roads were a little drier to have some more fun. But we can show you the wipers are working. A very nice, very good handling. Maybe underestimated. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. It impressed me. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.